Rationalising the denominator. This uses the same principle as equivalent fractions. For example, 2/3. If I want to change that to an equivalent fraction, I need to multiply the top and the bottom by the same thing. So that would give us 2 times 3 and 3 times 3. So our equivalent fraction is 6/9. So 2/3 is the same as 6/9. The numbers have changed, but the actual value of the fraction has not. Rationalising the denominator just means getting rid of the square root on the bottom of the fraction. So we're going to do the same thing as we did when we formed an equivalent fraction. We're going to multiply top and bottom by the same thing. In this case, we're going to multiply by the square root that's on the bottom. So 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. We'll get rid of the square root on the bottom and we've effectively moved it to the top. Here's another example. This time we're going to multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. So 5 times root 2 is 5 root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is simply 2. Okay, this one's got a little bit more complicated in the bottom. Still going to do the same thing. We're multiplying by the square root that we've got in the bottom. So we're going to multiply by root 5 over root 5. So on the top, that's going to give me 3 root 5. And on the bottom this time, it gives me 2 times 5. So we finish up with 3 root 5 over 10.